This video will show you how to install LED taillights in your 2006 to 2008 Toyota Yaris hatchback. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Let's start by opening the rear hatch. Remove the access hole cover at the side of the trunk. Now disconnect the taillight harness. Remove two 10mm nuts. Remove the factory taillight. Secure the LED taillight with two 10mm nuts. Connect the taillight harness. Replace the access hole cover. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing SPECDTUNING videos to assist you. Please visit SPECDTUNING.com for more products.